Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with the recipe. I soaked 1 cup of chana overnight. Now let's wash the chana with water and pressure cook it. To pressure cook, let's add about 1 cup of water and then pressure cook it for 10 minutes. You can see the chana is cooked nicely. Don't waste this water, collect it in a bowl and let me tell you how to use it later. Let the chana cool down completely. Once it's cooled, grind it in a mixer jar and transfer it to a bowl. And add 1 tablespoon of salt. To that, let's add 1 finely chopped onion, some capsicum, ½ inch ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, ½ tablespoon of coriander powder, ½ tablespoon of cumin powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, To this, let's add 2 tablespoons of besan flour and some salt. Remember, there is already salt in the boiled chana, so add accordingly. Now to make the chana into a dough, let's add some water that we have already collected from the boiled chana. Once it's done, you can make small patties like this. Always apply oil on your palm before doing this. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil on a pan and place the tikka on the pan and roast it on low flame. Flip the patties over a couple of times or until both sides are roasted well. Once both sides are well roasted, you can serve these healthy patties. Enjoy them with your friends and family. So guys, do try this healthy tawa roasted patties and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.